This is the road to the swamps. It's actually extremely green. It looks wonderful up here. Gotta keep the car on. Well, a lot of it got flooded, so it's not doing so good. But this is the boardwalk trail. This is part of it. We'll see how much of it I can do before it peters out and comes back. It's really pretty here. You can hear the rain coming down off the trees. And we'll see how far we go. Would I recommend this place to somebody? Yeah. It's a little tight getting back here on the RV with a lot of switchbacks on the roads. But it is pretty. See that big old tree? Well, see all these little bumpy things that come up? Those bumpy things are called knees, and they help the tree.